Hello and welcome to another video update of JINXCAT. So we are day 4, then I'm going to give you a quick update what is happening around JINXCAT. So this is a quick video as well. So the good news is that we have applied for Dextool listing. So just now we done the updating. So it's going to take about 10 minutes to maybe 2 hours. We don't know yet. So let's see what's happening. So this was happening. So we just updated it through here. We sent the form. So we fill up everything. So which is great. Yeah, amazing. So some things. Let me refresh and see if there is anything happening yet. We only applied about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, it's not done yet. So hopefully this is gonna be fantastic. Now you can see we have so many movements is happening around the price marks in here. So a lot of volumes come in. A lot of people are. You can see there are a great number of volumes come in. We had a great in here. We went all time high, 32,293. Then we had a sell off up to 16,000, so almost 50% sell off. I know it's natural. People do take profit. It's natural. You have to take profit. Then we are so early, so we had immediate pull up. Then we had all time high again. So we went up to 33,376. I would say, yeah, which is great. We have so many new members are coming, new eyes are coming, so which is great. So we are printing all-time high day by day. So last continuous 3 days, 4 days that we are printing all-time highs. You can see if you put days. So it's very very small chart. You can see that we are continuously ramping up. Yeah, so which is great. So you can put 15 minutes, maybe that's the best chart you can see. So yeah, we are doing great. We are doing great. So we started here, that now we are here now. So this is quite early. And again, so we are doing another promotions. It's live yet, so it's only 48 hours. We're going to give away some JINXCAT to the people. So please go and like on our Twitter. So it still is on live on the Twitter page. So yeah, please go and smash that. Uh, yeah, that's a great one. And we have another great growth in our TikTok as well. And on Twitter. So 434 members. Is all organic. So we are growing slowly but steadily. So always I believe and steady growth. It's very healthy. So which is great. And also our um, Telegram is buzzing. There are a lot of volumes coming. A lot of people are buying. I can see quite a few big purchases here is coming, which is great, as you can see. Which is amazing. It's good to see a lot of people are coming. A lot of ice balls are coming. So yeah, quite big veils are coming now, so which is great. Yeah, feel free to come and join if you're not part of this family. So I always say it's like it's a movement. It's a Jinx Cat movement. So if you love cat, please do come and join us. And I have another one more socials now. I have created an Instagram page as well. So nothing is not posted anything. So I'm going to leave it to post a couple of more things. If you're not, if you're on Instagram, please do come and follow us on JINXCAT Soul on Instagram. And we have a TikTok as well. If you don't know that we have TikTok as well. Yeah, these are TikTok. So please do like our TikTok as well. We will do more of giveaways and things like that on other social platforms. So as I said, look, we are growing organically. So there's no paid promotions or anything, that we are just getting started. And also let you know that we have so many marketing plans are planned that we're going to execute perfectly. So don't count on it. We have a good team. We have planned everything to grow this project to the next level. So it's your jobs to come and join us. It's very early. If you're not part of it, please do come and join us. We'd like to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.